Good morning! So first rule natin sa pagluluto is malinis dapat ang mga kamay, or if not, gumamit tayo ng gloves. So we have two kinds of gloves, yung disposable and washable. So ang ating recipe is Ilocano Miki. So kailangan natin i-boil ang ating chicken and then cut it into small pieces. Yan. Nakatikim na ba kayo ng Ilocano Miki? So, yan ang lulutuin natin today. Okay, so it's important sa paghiwa ng chicken or ng meat, we have to go against the hibla para hindi tayo matinga. Yan. Okay, so hihiwain lang natin ng maliliit ang ating chicken. So, ito napakuluan na to ha. Pinakuluan ko kanina. Okay. Now, we also need to have our garlic and onion cut into small pieces. So, kailangan natin ipil na maigi yung ating onion and garlic. Kasi sa market, talagang ganyan lang yan. Okay, linalagay sa isang tabi. So, dumidikit talaga yung dumi sa kanilang skin. And then, pagka-peel off natin na maigi, we have to cut them into small pieces. Yan, maliliit talaga ang hiwa. Okay, so together with the onion, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Hihiwain natin ang onion sa maliliit na pieces. Okay, so there you go, our onion. Okay, yan. Ikat natin sa maliliit na pieces. Baliktad tuloy yung paghiwa ko. Okay, yan. Kailan ganito. Okay. Now, we have to cut them into small pieces. Okay, pag nahiwa natin ito, now we have to put it aside. And then our pan, heat a little and gumamit tayo ng olive oil. Any brand of olive oil will do. So we need to pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil. O, hindi ako gumamit ng kutsara, meaning to say, tansyado ko na yung 2 tablespoons. Gisa natin yung ating garlic. And then, sunod natin yung ating onion. Okay, next, isunod na natin yung ating chicken meat. Cut into small pieces. Yan. Okay, add tayo ng 3 teaspoons of fish sauce or patis. Okay, pag niluluto yung patis, hindi mabango. Ayaw ko talaga yung amoy, pero maganda yung lasa na naibibigay sa pagkain. A little only. Pag ayaw nyo ng patis, you can use salt. Now, transfer natin yung nagisa na onion, garlic, and chicken meat. And then next, isunod natin yung chicken stock or yung pinagkuluan natin ng chicken kanina. There you go. Pakuluan natin to for about 5 minutes. So, or more. Okay. So, habang hinihintay natin kumulo, labas na natin yung ating fresh Miki noodles. Okay, ihiwa-hiwalayin. Tapos, alisin natin yung extra powder para hindi maging malagkit yung sabaw ng Miki natin. Okay, yan. Aalisin natin ng extra powder. Yan. So, pagkaalis natin ng extra powder, set aside natin yung ating Miki for a while. Hihiwain natin yung native onion. Yung onion leeks, hihiwain natin na maliliit. And yan ang gagawin natin pantopping mamaya. Okay, so set aside natin yung ating onion leaves or onion leeks. Nakuha tayo ng 2 small eggs or medium eggs. Siguro, kung large ang nandyan, di pwede ng large. Okay, beat the egg properly. Yan. Pag gumulo na yung ating sabaw, so, lalagyan natin ito ng 1 or 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Yan. Turmeric is healthy. It's anti-inflammatory. So, maraming benefits ang turmeric. So, magandang nilalagay natin o hinahalo natin sa ulam yan. Then, we can also add, kanina, linagay ko na yung ating chicken cubes and then 2 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Pag kumulo, lagay na natin yung ating noodles or yung Miki noodles. Yan. Okay, kailangan paghiwa-hiwalayin para hindi yan dumikit. Okay, pag kumulo, add natin yung ating atsuete. Yan. Okay, so yellowish na yung sabaw natin. And then, madali lang kasing lutuin. So, kailangan consistent. Tapos, pag na-add natin yung egg, voila! O, yan o. Finished product na tayo. Lagyan natin yung leaves or onion leeks, toasted garlic, and ready to eat! Stay safe, everyone!